Have you ever wondered why your friends seem to have access to exclusive deals, discounts, and experiences that you don't? Well, it might be because they're part of Commbank Yello, a community that rewards its members with incredible perks. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Commbank Yello membership and start enjoying the benefits. So, what exactly is Commbank Yello? It's a loyalty program designed to make your everyday life more rewarding. As a member, you'll gain access to a wide range of exclusive offers, including discounts on shopping, dining, travel, and entertainment. Plus, you'll have the opportunity to participate in unique experiences and events. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before we dive into the activation process, let's make sure you're eligible to join Commbank Yello. To be a member, you'll need to be a Commbank customer with a qualifying savings or transaction account. If you're already a customer, you're probably eligible. Step 2. Log into online banking. Now that we've confirmed your eligibility, it's time to activate your Commbank Yello membership. The easiest way to do this is through online banking. Simply log into your Commbank account using your online banking credentials. Step 3. Find Commbank Yello. Once you're logged in, look for the Commbank Yello section. It might be under a Rewards or Benefits tab. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Activate your membership. You should now see a screen that prompts you to activate your Commbank Yello membership. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. This might involve confirming your details or agreeing to the terms and conditions. Step 5. Explore the benefits. Congratulations! You've successfully activated your Commbank Yello membership. Now, it's time to explore the exciting benefits that await you. You can browse through the available offers, discounts, and experiences directly on the Commbank Yello platform. Additional tips. Check your email. Keep an eye on your email inbox for welcome messages and updates from Commbank Yello. These emails might contain exclusive offers or important information about your membership. Download the Commbank app. For added convenience, consider downloading the Commbank app. This will give you easy access to Commbank Yello offers and your membership details right at your fingertips. Share with friends. If you're enjoying the benefits of Commbank Yello, don't forget to share the good news with your friends and family. They might be eligible to join too. So, there you have it. Activating your Commbank Yello membership is a simple process that can unlock a world of rewards and opportunities. By taking advantage of the exclusive offers and experiences available to members, you can make your everyday life more enjoyable and rewarding. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.